This guy must be angry about something. He's almost breaking the door. Does anyone know him? This woman must be collecting other people's belongings like this. The homeowner comes out and asks why she's taking them.
Sorry, I'm trying to my stuff off, please. This is not your stuff. I'm Chica's wife.
I'm sorry, this is
Can I
mine.
take that to you?
This is my kid, so don't come over here taking that doesn't belong to you.
Oh, I'm sorry. They said it was trash. I'm cleaning up all the trash around there.
No, I don't want to hear that.
No, really, you can call.
That's okay.
I have a house cleaning company.
And that are kids.
Yeah, I have kids. These
I
are
don't
in
give a
trash.
No,
They
they
were
weren't in
trash.
the trash.
Yeah, they were. They
They're
were
brand
nothing.
new
They
with
were
f***ing tags on it.
They were nothing.
Goodbye.
They were not. Okay, ma'am, I'm calling the police because
You're on my property and I have a camera.
I have a camera here.
Goodbye.
Okay, guys, yeah, this is 94.5. Yeah, she just stole from me.
Stole from you.
You did. That was on the trash thing.
Get.
You're expect the police.
Okay.
Okay.
What kind of theft is this? The license plate is in plain sight and their faces are clearly visible. Pretty strange.
What did they take? I just saw it.
They're trying to paint over the doorbell camera so their actions won't be seen, but the paint doesn't stick. Their robbery attempt fails. This guy is watching the house when the homeowner warns him. He takes off running.
Get the f*** away from here, and right goddamn now, mother.
Does anyone know what this young guy is up to? He breaks the door and steals. Pretty strange.
You're under arrest. Here.
A man notices the house's door is open and walks in with a knife,
Hello?
saying hello to check if anyone is inside.
No.
The moment he realizes the homeowner is there, he runs away. What is this woman doing? I mean, what did she want from the flowers that were just sitting there? Pay attention to the trees between houses like these. They're walking around with guns, looks like airsoft guns. But what exactly is their purpose? This transformer explosion is lighting up the area so much. A woman, annoyed by her neighbors blasting loud music, shows up at their door.
Yeah. Neighbors, dude, that's enough with the music in the backyard. Yeah, you better or I'm gonna call the police. Yeah, that is too much. I work as a nurse. I have to be at work at 7 a.m. That means I have to be awake at 5:30. Yeah, please do or I'm calling the police. I'm not doing this again with you people.
The man at the door is asking the homeowner for something, but the homeowner doesn't understand him due to the language barrier and shuts the door.
Hi.
But why is
Hello?
the man damaging things outside the house?
Good night. Can I have some water, please? What? Some water. Can you give me some water? Some water. Can you give me some water or no? Huh?
You who?
Pani. Can you give me some pani or no? Can you give me some pani or no?
I don't know you.
You don't know English?
I don't know you.
I just don't need to forget none of that.
This man was about to walk to his car with his dog when a raccoon blocked their path. He lifted his dog by the leash to protect it. He was just about to take the package from the front of the house and leave, but the homeowner came out and told him to give it back. Caught in the act, he handed it over and walked away.
Yo. Hey, come on, man. You gonna steal something from me? Come on, that's ridiculous. Come on, it's my family. It's my family, really? That's bullshit. I saw Amazon come 2 minutes ago, and you tried stealing my stuff.
Hey, buddy, how you doing? I got you recorded.
This guy had the nerve to open the stolen package right in front of the house. Of course, the homeowner noticed. He then tried to deny that he was stealing.
I'm putting it back to us right here.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's all been a good neighbor. Yup.
Thank you. I got you recorded, buddy.
All right.
Cops on the way.
What?
This lady is so clever. She tried to hide the stolen package by stuffing it inside her bag, making it impossible for anyone who saw her to notice anything. Hearing about the costume party, 2 or 3 thugs wanted to join, but when they were denied entry, they pulled out their guns and started arguing.
Shut the f*** up! Shut the f*** up! Shut your back up! My foot! Like out the door! My foot's in the door! Back up! Back up! His foot's in the door! Back up! His foot's in the door! Back up! Back up! Smack face! Open this door! Open this door! Open this door! Open this door! I'll really get to tweaking! I'll really get to tweaking! I'll really get to tweaking!
The young people who jumped into a yard suddenly encountered a dog. I hope nothing bad happened to them.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Everyone get out! What are you guys doing here?
A princess appears on the doorbell camera.
Hi! She gonna post this on Facebook? How are you?